Hello everyone, Jan Castro again. Ngayon, share ko sa inyong website kung saan pwede kayong kumita na $1 online sa pamamagitan ng pagsusulat ng mga article, mga blogs, at kung ano-ano pa. So, bago ko i-reveal sa inyong website ngayon, gusto ko muna click itong subscribe button, pati na rin itong bell icon para ma-notify kayo sa mga latest video ko about making money online. At huwag nyo na kalimutan itong i-click itong link sa baba ng video na to para sa aking #1 recommendation in making money online. So, bago tayo mag-umpisa, punta muna tayo dito sa aking Facebook profile. So, kung yung mga tanong kayo, message nyo ako sa account na ito. At sasagutin ko lahat ng katanungan nyo. So, let us start. So, ang website na yan ay iwriter.com. So, you'll write your article, blog post, press release, ebooks, Kindle books, Amazon reviews, cover letter, at marami iba. So, ito yung mga klaseng mga kailangan mong gawin. So, punta naman tayo dito sa baba. Ayan. Or are you a writer? So, pag mag-a-apply ka na. So, paano ba maging writer dito? So, ito, una, build your own client base, earn up to $80 per 500 words once na ma-promote ka na. Kasi yung mga rap din dito, yung mga writers, depende yan sa skill level ninyo and experience. So, ayan, write as much or as little as you want each day. So, nasa iyo kung susulat ka o hindi, madami ba o konti. So, choose the topics that best match your background. So, basta ka passionate na topic. Diba? Okay. Ito yung 5 steps para matanggap dito. So, number 1, register for a free account. Number 2, request the type of content you would like written. Number 3, receive your content for a writer. Step 4, review your content and approve or reject it. Step 5, download your content and rise and repeat. So, kung kayo may experience sa pagsusulat or expert kayo sa mga paggawa ng article at mga blog, is in kayo dito. So, punta naman tayo dito sa FAQs. Q&A for our writers. Yan. Okay, ito. Number 1 question. How do I article and make money? Yan. May video dito sa click nyo na lang itong click here para panood yung video na yun. So, mata ko oras kaya tuloy naman tayo dito sa question number 2. May balikan natin yun. Ayan. Is the limit of how many articles I can write? So, dito sabi sa answer, no. There is no limit. Write as much as a little as you want. The more you write, the more money you will make. So, paano naman kayo binabayaran? So, via PayPal siya, nagbabayad. So, Tuesday, payment are sent on Tuesday or each week for earning up to 1 week prior to the payment date. Example, if you write an article on Saturday, your payout for the article will place a week from the next Tuesday. Sa isa pang Tuesday ka pa makabayaran. So, Sabado ngayon, darating na Tuesday, kasi Tuesday. Next Tuesday pa. Okay. You must include a valid PayPal email to get paid. Siyempre, may PayPal kayo. PayPal email mo talaga gamitin doon. Payment will be sent to your PayPal account within 24 hours time period from each of the day previously mentioned. The exact time of the payment is sent may vary due to the PayPal payment scheduler. How much do writer get paid? Ayan. Writer will receive 65% of the price of each article general writing. Malaki na yun, 65%. The actual na vary based on your writer level. May mga level pala dito. Example, standard, premium, elite, or elite plus. And the length of the article. Depende sa haba ng article. At depende rin sa ranggo mo. As a writer, receive positive reviews will increase the level, their writer level. For example, a writer may earn a 2.14 for 500 word general article as a standard. Writer but could earn a standard $25 for a 500 word general article as elite plus writer. Ayan. So, huwag na natin patagalin. So, ayan. Basahin niyo may itong FAQs dito sa writer section. Ayan. Pwede. So, isa niyo, I highly advised na basahin niyo itong maigi itong FAQs para maintindihan niyo maigi pag nag-apply kayo. So, sana may nakita kayong values dito sa video na to. Kung may nakita kayong value sa video na to, click nyo na lang itong subscribe button tsaka bell icon. At last, itong link sa baba ng video na to para sa akin. Number 1 recommendation in making money online. So, Jan Castro signing out. Bye-bye.